Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about text and display setting, and guys today I'm going to tell about how can you set font style and guys how to use font style in Iqoo phone. Guys today I'm going to tell you about in this video. Guys we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video friends. First of all, what will you have to do? Guys open your phone setting, then guys click on shortcut accessibility. Guys click on accessibility and guys click on text and display, click on font style. So now you can set your font style extra large, largest. Come back, so you can see my font style. I think friends we have understood how to set font style and how to use. So I think friends we have understood. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.